is an indoor microgreens garden. What makes this different from other products you probably might already have seen on the market is it doesn't require any soil. And it's 100% organic, contain no pesticides, non-GMO. The main part of our new product is our growing media. It's a new developed fiber media that can retain up to 6 times its size in water. That means you open the box, unwrap the plastic, add water until like 150 milliliters the first time, and then you just add a little water every day. When you've done that for 7 to 12 days, then you can harvest your new microgreens. It's delicious, healthy, and easy. This product is suitable for everything from schools to restaurants to normal consumers that don't have the chance to grow, that don't have the garden, don't have the facilities. What we care about in Natural Greens is a trusted product. We want our name to stand as trust for organic, non-gene modified, non-contaminated, clean product, the best parts of nature. So please, try it. Thank you very much for your time.